Did you know you can run a powerful hacking tool like Kali Linux right from your computer without touching your main operating system? In this video, I'll show you how to easily set up Kali Linux in VirtualBox for penetration testing and ethical hacking. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google. Type Kali Linux, download VirtualBox image and hit search. Click the link that leads to the official offensive security website. Scroll down and download the VirtualBox version of Kali Linux. Note, I've already downloaded it, so I won't download it again. Once the file is downloaded, extract the zip file to a folder on your computer. Now open VirtualBox. Click New to create a new virtual machine. Name it Kali Linux 2025. For the type, select Linux. For version, choose Debian 64-bit. Now go to the hardware settings. Set RAM based on your device capability. I chose 4 GB. Set CPU. I'm using 4 cores. Now select the folder where your Kali Linux files are located. I saved mine in C drive. Then in the hard disk section, choose Use an existing virtual hard disk file. Click the folder icon. Then Add, and select the Kali Linux VDI file you extracted earlier. Click Choose. Then Create. Now select your download file and add. Click Finish. Now go to your new Kali Linux machine settings. Under General greater than Advanced, set Shared Clipboard and drag and drop to bidirectional. In System, make sure everything looks good, especially boot order. In Display, increase video memory to the maximum. Under Network, change from NAT to bridged adapter to allow full internet access like a real machine. Click OK to save everything. Now, click Start to run your Kali Linux virtual machine. Within a few seconds, Kali Linux will boot up, and you'll be ready to start ethical hacking and penetration testing, all inside your current operating system. So that's it. You've successfully installed Kali Linux in VirtualBox without changing your main OS. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hacking tutorials and cybersecurity content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.